Welcome back, CAD users. You are now should have all of the parts that you needed to make the linear bearing assembly in your Onshape file. And we're ready to start part one of our assembly. So we'll go into the assembly tab and we're going to bring in our bottom plate. And I'm going to bring in a guide shaft. I'm going to just show you what we're going to do here. So this bottom plate we can go ahead and fix because that will be the part that we don't need to move. I'm going to center this, and then we also will need to insert some standard bolts. So we need some ANSI inch bolts. They're going to be 10/24 screws, and the length for these is going to be 1/2 inch. And I'm just going to insert 6 of them for now and show you how to do one side. I'll have you work on the other side kind of independent of this video. So I think I need one more bolt. So I've inserted 6 of these 10/24 1/2 inch long screws. And what's going to happen is we're going to line up the shaft and make that work. So I'm going to start with a planer mate where I'm mating the top to the bottom just so that we can line these up. And they should now kind of slide in that same plane. And then I'm going to take this around so you can see the side. I'm going to do several fasteners. And if you get these so that you're at the where it says near the head of the hex, and you put that into this hole, into one of your guide shafts, and we can do that on all of these. There's going to be a lot of fastener mates on this, so try and make sure you're at the head there. When you put it in, you're not seeing that the head of the bolt is close to the let me scroll in to the actual guide shaft itself. Then double check your mate before you move on. And actually do some organization of our mates at the end of this video as well. It's a lot of redundancy in our mates. So I'm going to just get out of that so you can see. Now I think I accidentally had this extra bolt in here. Let me delete that. Now I have these bolts that are coming through and I need to mate them into the base plate. So I'm going to go ahead and insert a new fastener mate. Let me scroll in here to the head. And if you end up like this, so let me delete this. What we need to do, get rid of that. We're gonna put right in the middle there, and then in the middle down there. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this mate altogether so that it pulls back over. So what we're looking for is that we're going to have mated. We can probably actually, let me try doing try and do a cylinder mate here. And that will bring over this whole shaft, and you should see now that we've got that. I'm going to show you, now that we've got this whole guide shaft over here, how to organize these mates so that as you go, you can keep track. So I'm clicking on the first mate and I'm going to add to a folder, and I'm going to call this bottom to guide shaft, and I'll just say left. And then I can grab these and bring them all in because I'm happy that none of them need to be fixed. And I want you then, outside of this video, to go ahead and do the other side so that you have both sides, because it'll happen the same way. You're going to go ahead and insert another guide shaft, and then you'll planer mate that and add in 6 more bolts.